usually cold end to October. It's still chilly at the moment, and it feels particularly cold out there if you're stuck under the thick cloud. The cloud is mainly across England and Wales, being generated by this weak weather front. We've got an area of low pressure to the south of us, and that is going to control our weather for much of this week, bringing us easterly winds. It certainly feels rather raw out there, and those northeasterly winds at the moment across northeast England, with the thick cloud and the outbreaks of rain staying quite damp and miserable across Lincolnshire, much of Norfolk and through the Midlands. Some brighter skies across southeast England, a hint of sunshine here, and a touch milder than yesterday, 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. Generally across southern England it is cloudy but dry for the rest of the day. Again, just a bit of brightness here and there, maybe on the south coast of Devon and Cornwall. Some sunshine for Pembrokeshire and Anglesey, but most of Wales also grey, with some drizzly rain in the east. Further north, well, it's a much brighter scene. It was a frosty start in Scotland and Northern Ireland, but some sunshine here for the rest of the day. The far north of Scotland, though, will see increasing amounts of cloud and some rain overnight tonight. The drizzly conditions persist across northern England, the Midlands and parts of Wales overnight. But with all the cloud across England and Wales, it will be a mild night once more, whereas yet again in southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, there will be a frost, -2 in Glasgow. Not so frosty across northern Scotland because we've got the cloud and the rain. That's from this weather front, which is slowly heading in during the course of tomorrow. But the main feature is still that area of low pressure to the south of us, bringing the easterly winds and bringing quite a lot of cloud in across England and Wales, certainly. Again, there'll be some light and drizzly showers, really, especially in eastern England. Some breaks in the clouds, some sunshine across western Scotland, western Wales, I should say. Some certainly sunny skies across southern Scotland and Northern Ireland after a frosty start here, maybe with some mist and fog, highs of 7 or 8 degrees. 10 or 11 further south with the cloud across England and Wales. And that cloud is going to be a big feature through the rest of the week. It's pretty dull thanks to those easterly winds, which will still be with us on Tuesday and Wednesday. This weather front is a pretty weak feature, not really bringing much in the way of rain. So again, the vast majority will have a dry day on Tuesday, just with pretty leaden skies. A hint of brightness here and there, especially in western Scotland, maybe some sunny spells for West Wales and southwest England, but for most, Tuesday is grey but dry, and that theme continues even into Wednesday. Area of low pressure by then is heading up across Germany, so that might mean the easterly winds pick up a little bit on Wednesday. We've still got them feeding in all the moisture off the North Sea. Again, some drizzly showers in the east, but most places dry. The best of any breaks in the cloud will be further west, but we should be pretty much frost-free. Now, by the latter part of the week, we've got a bit of a battle going on. We've got another front coming in from the east. The Atlantic fronts are trying to get in from the west, but I think the easterly winds will still persist through Thursday. Maybe a little bit more rain coming in through parts of England from that weather front. Again, though, further west, it's generally dry and cloudy with temperatures of 8 to 12 degrees Celsius. By the end of the week, though, we are expecting the Atlantic fronts to finally win out, so perhaps a change in weather type as we go into next weekend, more like southwest or west.